Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in recent automotive history, the return of a true icon. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia has officially made its comeback, and it's not just a nostalgic throwback. Volkswagen has reimagined this classic coupe for the modern era, blending its timeless elegance with today's technology and performance. Let's take a detailed look at everything this car has to offer. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia commands attention. It stays true to the original's curvaceous design language with smooth flowing lines, a low-slung body, and pronounced rear haunches. The front end is clean and refined, featuring sleek LED headlamps with subtle, chrome trim that echoes its vintage predecessor. Volkswagen has done a great job maintaining the spirit of the classic, while adding a modern twist with flush door handles, an aerodynamic grille design, and optional two-tone paint schemes that give it that retro meets futuristic look. Around the back, the rear sports wraparound LED taillights and a sculpted bumper that nods to the 60s styling, but with an undeniably contemporary flair. The dual exhaust tips are neatly integrated into the rear fascia, giving it a sporty finish. Alloy wheels range from 18 to 20 inches depending on the trim, with designs that pay tribute to the original models, but are made for today's road presence and performance demands. Step inside, and you're met with an interior that's just as thoughtfully executed. The cabin is a fusion of vintage charm and cutting-edge design. Leather upholstery is standard across the board, and it's available in rich color palettes like saddle brown, cream, and jet black, paired with brushed aluminum or wood trim accents. The dashboard layout is clean and minimalist, reminiscent of the original Karmann Ghia, but features a fully digital instrument cluster and a 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen with haptic feedback. Volkswagen's new infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. There's even a retro-inspired analog clock in the center stack that adds a classy, nostalgic touch. Despite being a coupe, the Karmann Ghia offers surprisingly decent rear seat space for short trips, and trunk space is expanded thanks to a front storage compartment on the electric version. Yes, that's right. This beauty comes with both electric and hybrid powertrain options. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 221 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed DSG transmission. It delivers a smooth yet spirited drive, perfect for cruising or weekend fun. For those looking to go green, there's an all-electric Ghia E-Line variant, which features a single rear-mounted motor producing 300 horsepower and an estimated 0 to 60 mph time of just under 5 seconds. It's powered by a 77 kWh battery pack and delivers an EPA estimated range of 280 miles. The chassis is well-tuned for both comfort and performance. With adaptive dampers, multi-link rear suspension, and lightweight construction, the Ghia hugs corners with confidence while absorbing bumps like a much larger luxury car. Steering is responsive and regenerative braking in the EV model feels natural. It's clearly a driver's car, but one that doesn't forget its roots in elegance. On the safety front, the Karmann Ghia comes with Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive suite, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking as standard. Higher trims add semi-autonomous highway driving features and a 360-degree camera system. As for pricing, the 2026 Karmann Ghia starts at $38,000 for the base turbocharged model. The hybrid variant begins at around $42,000, while the E-Line electric model is expected to retail at $49,000 fully loaded. You're looking at just under $55,000, which is competitive when you consider the design, performance, and nostalgia factor baked into every curve of this car. So there you have it, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. It's not just a name revived, it's a legend reborn. Stylish, sporty, and sustainable, it's the perfect blend of past and future. If you're a fan of automotive heritage with a modern twist, this might just be the car to watch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and first looks. See you in the next one.